Everyone, welcome to my another important lecture on double integral. In this lecture, this is the part 5, part 6, lecture number 6. In this lecture, the learner will be able to understand the change of order of integration. The change of order of integration, double integral. Double integral. Now the question is, why we will do change the order of integration? Why we will do change the order of integration. Some of the problems connected with double integral, it seems to complicated, very complicated, can be made easy to handle by changing order of integration. So this is why we will do change of order of integration, because some of the double integrals which seems to very complicated can be made easy to handle by change in order of integration. By change in order of integration, if the limit of the integration are constant, that is, this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit, these two limits are constant, then you can change any order either with respect to x or with respect to y. It doesn't no problem. Okay, it will no problem. Okay, now the question is, if it is these are variable, the internal limits are variable and external limits are constant, then we have to change the order of integration. If the double integration is very complicated, then we need the change of order of integration. Sometimes in the question you will see, by changing the order of integration, evaluate a double integration will be there. Then you have to change the order first. Then you have to integrate. Okay. So this is the example of, I have taken an example. If it is y, it is x, then fxy dx dy. If we change, that is change of order of integration, means this will be y equal to and this will be x equal to. Okay. By changing the order, that is fxy dx dy, it will come dy dx. That is, the function fxy will not change, it will remain same as it is. Okay, if it is function of x, then it comes function of y. If it is function of y, then it will come function of x. If it is dx dy, then it will come dy dx. This is the change of order of integration. This is the change of order of integration. So before going to start the change of order of integration, I have to say two things. Okay, two things. Okay, that two things, that is, you will see, number one, these two things you have to remember. This is very important. This is called, actually, this is called internal limit and this is called external limit. This is external limit. And this is called internal limit. Actually, change of order of integration means you have to change the limit. You have to change the limit. Okay, you have to change the limit. Okay, that is, on changing the order of integration, the limit of integration change. Okay, if the given internal limit, the two things I am going to say, the two important things you have to remember always, then it will be more easy. That is, if the internal limit is a function of x, then the new strip is parallel to x-axis. Okay, parallel to x-axis. This is very important. That means, what will you do? From the given limits, we have to draw a rough sketch. Always, without a rough sketch, you can't do change of order of integration. That means, first thing we will do, that is, from the given limits, you have to do a rough sketch. Then you will see, if the internal limit is a function of x, then the new strip is parallel to x-axis. Number two, if the internal limit if the internal limit is function of y, then the new strip is parallel to y-axis. These two are very, very important. You have to focus on these two things. I am taking an example here. Just follow me. I am just taking an example over here. How to solve, that is a double integral, that is example 1, integration 0 to 1, integration 0 to 2 root x, fxy dy dx. The change of order of integration. Change the order of integration. What will you do? So you see, let I equal to 0 to 1. This is 0 to 2 root x. You see, this is the internal limit. This is external limit. Internal limit is a function of x. So the new strip is parallel to x axis. This is fxy. This is y equal to. So this will be dy dx. This will becomes x equal to. Now, since from the given condition, that is internal limit, I have to draw the sketch first. Okay, rough sketch. Okay, internal limit y equal to 0, y equal to 2 root over x. This becomes y equal to 0 actually. Y equal to 0, that is x axis. Y is equal to 2 root x, that is y square equal to 4x. That is parabola. Okay. External limit. What is external limit? X equal to 0, x equal to 1. X equal to 0, y axis, x equal to 1, line parallel to y axis. Okay. Now, rough sketch I am drawing. This is the rough sketch. Y square equal to 4x, and x, this is x, this is y, this is x equal to 0, this is y equal to 0, this is x equal to 0, y equal to 0, this is y square equal to 4x, and other thing is x equal to 1, the line parallel to x axis. This is x equal to, this is x equal to 1, this line. So this point is 1, 0. This point is 1, 0. Okay. This point is 1, 0. Understand? This point is 1, 0. This point. So this is origin O, A. This is B. So this is the shaded region. This will be the shaded region. Okay. Now the question is how to find the internal limit and external limit for new strip. Since you see, internal limit is a function of x. That is, it is a y equal to, you see, y equal to 2 root x. That is function of x. Since internal limit is a function of x, therefore new strip is parallel to x axis. Now, so this is x equal to 1. If it is x equal to 1, follow me, it is x equal to 1. So this is the new strip I am drawing. This is the new strip. This is say R, this is S. RS is the new strip. RS is the new strip. Now, another thing you will do, this is OAB is our required boundary region. Boundary region is OAB. bounded region is OAB. Okay. How to find OAB? So by changing the order of integration. Okay. So now we need A, we need B. B is not given. That means what is B? How to find the B? B is the line of, B is the point of intersection of the parabola and the line x equal to 1. You see, what is B actually? B is the point of intersection of the parabola and the line. So we have to solve these two simultaneously, then you will get B. Because here x equal to 1, this line. So x equal to 1, if we put y equal to root y equal to 2, x equal to 1 over here, then y equal to plus minus 2. So it will be that is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. So for new step, so what is internal limit? Internal limit, because internal limit will get internal limit, how to get? From the new step. New step, you see, it touches exact, it touches the parabola. This is the lower limit, this will be the upper limit. When the line, when the new step is parallel to x-axis, then left to right, go left to right. Left should be the, this should be the lower limit, this should be the upper limit. For internal limit you will get from the steep, from the steep you will get, from the steep you will get. Okay, so that is x equal to, from here, from this equation, this will be the lower limit. So it will be x equal to, from this equation, y square equal to 4x. So x equal to y square by 4. Understand how to get? Because y square equal to 4x. So from here you will get x equal to y square by 4. And what is y? What is upper limit? Upper limit, देखो, upper limit, the new steep touches, intersect the line x equal to 1. So it is x equal to 1. X equal to y square by 4. This is the lower limit, and x equal to 1 is the upper limit. This thing you will get from the steep. Now if we move the steep up and down like this way, then it will go from 0 to 1. You see, 0 to 1, that is 0 to 1. 0 to 1, this length is 1, 2. 0 to 2, 0 to 2. You see, this length is 2. So 0 to 2, that is external limit. Now just I am removing this part, that is the new strip, that is it was actually I equal to now 0 to 1, this is 0 to 2 root x, f xy dy dx is there. Now this becomes, after, that is after change of order of integration, this will be y equal to 0 to 2, then here x equal to y square by 4 to 1, that is fxy dx dy. So this is the after changing the order of integration, it will be dy dx, this will be dx dy. This is the internal limit I have written, this is the external limit. Okay, this was given after changing the order of integration by this way, you will get y equal to 0 to 2. This is the external limit, and internal limit is this. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you once again. Okay, so